Hey guys, it's Ms. Fleming and I'm bringing you your parent resource this week. One of the things that we see in math is data analysis, or looking at a graph or a chart and looking at the data that's provided. This has been seen on every single unit test that your student has taken. Commonly found on these are questions like, how many red? Or how many blue? Or questions like, how many blue and purple altogether? And these questions are pretty simple for your students to be able to answer. But the one question that we see and they struggle with is, how many more? Or it can be rephrased as, how many fewer? So this basically means to subtract. So when we look at how many more red are there than green, we want to look at it and go, okay, well I know how many more means I am subtracting. So then we want to look, on this one it actually gives us the numbers and see, okay, how many red do I have? Well, we can count up every single one, 8, 9, or we can look down here and see that we have 9. Then we want to look and see how many green we have. Again, we can count every single one, or we can look down here and see, okay, there are 5. Now we're looking at how many more. So that means we are subtracting. So 9 minus 5, or take away 5, 9 minus 5 is going to be 4. One thing that I have shown my students when we're looking at how many more on a graph is they can actually look, okay, we're looking at red and green. Okay, red has a pair with a green here. This one has a pair. This one has a pair. That one has a pair, and this one has a pair. But there's no more green. So how many reds do not have a green? We can go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I know there are 4 more red than there are green. If we look at how many fewer, it means the same thing. How many fewer blue are there than yellow? Again, we can look and we can count every single yellow, 6, 7, 8, or we can line it up. So we have 8. Okay, and then we can look at blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blue. How many fewer means that we are subtracting. I know 8 take away 5, 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. If I want, I can look at them, yellow and blue, line them up. Yellow and blue, there's a pair, this one has a pair, that one has a pair, there's a pair. We ran out of blue. So let's count, 1, 2, 3. There are 3 more yellow, or 3 fewer blue. It's still subtracting, and it still means less than. It still means we're trying to figure out how many more or how many are less. So this is commonly seen across every assessment that your student takes. And it's something that we work on every day in fluency with subtraction. It's just the wording.